Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are most and highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to gently, easily remove all unwanted hair without pain, without wax, without spending any too much money. It is actually DIY, like do it yourself. It's gonna be so effective, so watch till the end, girl. Alright, so if you did love the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Please share this video, and alright, drop your questions on my websites, okay? And let's dive into this video. To remove all unwanted hair, we're going to be needing paste, guys. So it's not necessarily Colgate. If you can get hold of any white toothpaste, it's going to be ideal for this hair removal remedy, okay? Then we're just going to be making use of baking soda, guys. Baking soda is a great remedy for the skin because it helps to remove pimples, it helps to clear pigment, and it also removes all unwanted hair. And then we're going to be making use of rice, and in this we're going to be needing rice powder. And rice powder is a great remedy that helps for the skin because it helps to glow, remove wrinkles and fine lines. Alright guys, so this is how I got my rice. I took in raw rice and then I blended it into this powder form, okay? So you might not actually buy local rice in the market, but you have to blend it yourself, okay? Now for this, I'm going to be needing half tablespoon of rice powder, okay? You can actually use the boiled rice so you can get all of the starch. Then I'm going to be putting in the baking soda, and after that is done, I'll be squeezing in toothpaste into this remedy. And now we're going to be needing hot water, guys, okay? So that's basically what you're going to use in mixing all of this ingredients together. So now I'm just going to stir and mix the ingredients together, okay? Now for this, we would be using 1 tablespoon of the rice, okay? So we can get a very nice consistency that will just go around, and that would be very ideal to apply on the skin, okay? So you just have to put in a little bit of water and a little bit of the rice powder to the consistency that actually suits you, okay? Now how you're gonna apply this: if you have hair on your jaw, on your face, you use this treatment and then you apply it. Alright guys, so if you have any darkness around that part, it's also going to help to remove the darkness. If you have spots, it's also going to help to remove the spots, okay? So I decided to use spoon to apply this today, but usually I love to use my hand to apply all of my natural home remedy, okay? So this is how I'm going to be applying this. Okay, so after applying this, then you would have to hold on for some while for the treatment to dry up, okay? When it dries up, you're just going to clean it up, like you dap it up like this, Okay, so as you dap it up like that, the hair is also going to be falling off. I'm actually just showing you how you're going to be doing this. It's just going to remove all of the hair from your body. Okay, so that is as simple as, okay, so it's something you have to make a new one when you want to apply it. Okay, because of the rice is gonna be very thick when you store it. Okay, so the thing is that you just apply this treatment for a few days and all of your hair is gonna go, and it's not gonna grow back on time. It's gonna take a while. Okay, assuming your hair grows in 3 days or 5 days, it's gonna take like 2 weeks to 3 weeks before it grows back. Okay, so that's it, guys. Use that to get rid of all of the unwanted hair, and it's actually gonna take a whole lot of time for the hair to grow back. Okay, so do not actually worry yourself, it's not gonna grow back so easily. Okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, alright, so you will be notified. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawlessly beautiful, and bye, guys.